training was awesome. I'm gonna implement more of the asking for the sale. That's something I struggle with to do, but hearing that today and learning the steps and process behind that, I think I'll be able to implement that and boost my numbers drastically.
Very informational, which is maybe obvious. Definitely appreciated the focus on objections and how to overcome that.
Very useful day to day. I think it's something that I will use in every call I make from here on out. Follow the script, follow the steps, and you will close more than you are right now.